Let's do a firm in 5, targeting those arms without any equipment. So you're just standing. Place those arms out to your side and now start to ring them out, meaning one arm rings in such a direction that the palm goes up and then the other arm goes palm down. So shoulders down away from your ears, abdominals in, reaching fingertips in opposite directions and away from your center. Now you can stand there or you can start to sass things out. So you can kind of get a little sassy, pressing one hip out and then the other. As you keep those shoulders down away from your ears, abdominals in, and let's ring those arms out. Because it's kind of hard to keep holding your arms up, but we're tough, and if we were really tough, we could grab a can of soup or some light hand weights and go to town here. So let's continue to ring those arms out. That's it. Shoulders down, abs in. Sassy with those hips, or just stand and ring those arms out. You can, of course, do this also if you're just walking around the park. You might get some strange looks, but if you got the best toned arms in the neighborhood, hey, all the better for you. All right, let's just do a couple more here, and then we'll transition into our second exercise. Very good. So from here, we're going to come down to a squat. We're going to turn sideways to you. Shoulders are down. And now start to do some arm circles. So watch that you're not looking straight out. That tends to crane the neck. So my chin is in, keeping the length of my cervical spine. And I'm circling with those arms. I'm going to turn my back to you so you can see that circling action. So it really works nicely in the upper triceps deltoid region. Try to have those arms as high as you can, but keep those shoulder blades down. Watch with the neck creeping up towards your ears. Keep them down. Pause and reverse that direction of the circle. Very, very good. Keep that chin in. My gaze is about 3 feet out in front of me on the floor. Shoulders are down. Yep, you should start to be feeling those shoulders and maybe those triceps also a little bit. Awesome. Keep going for another 3 and 2 and 1. Stay on your squat. Bend your elbows. I call this breaststroke squat because you reach forward and then you press back. And you reach forward and press back. Reach and press. So as I reach forward with my fingertips, I reach back with my sits bones. And then I really try to press my arms back, pinching the shoulder blades together and feeling that work. Once again, in the tricep, posterior deltoid, and also into the rhomboids. Stretch forward and pull back. Stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. Get down low. Pull it back. That's it. Let's just have 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Stay in that squat and then just pulse up towards the ceiling. Chin is in, abs in, shoulders away from your ears, elbows very straight. Yep, and then try to press the palms of your hands towards the ceiling. You should be really feeling it in the triceps, which is the back of your upper arm. Yes, watch that you're not hanging into your knee joints by shifting your weight forward. Keep reaching through those sits bones. Excellent. Let's go right into front crawl. So it's just like we're in the swimming pool. We really bend an elbow up and then we reach forward, adding a little rotation as we go. So we're getting some nice stretch and length through our muscle fibers, working through the whole length, reaching forward, pulling back. Yep, and getting that nice rotation. If you want to get down a little lower, of course, that's going to work your legs a little bit more. Yeah, stretch it forward, pull it back. Create resistance, almost like you're swimming through honey. So you got to pull it back. Awesome. And let's just have 3 and 2 and 1. Excellent. So I hope you enjoyed that Furman 5 without any equipment. Thanks a lot.